Curious about why everyone's talking about Leelanau County? Let's dive into what makes it one of Michigan's most sought-after places to live. From the sunrises over crystal clear lakes to evenings watching the sunset over Lake Michigan, life in Leelanau County offers balance of stunning natural beauty, outdoor adventures, and a vibrant community. I'm Jen Hastings with Blue Lakes Real Estate Group, powered by Key Realty, and today I'm excited to show you why Leelanau County is quickly becoming one of the most sought-after real estate markets in the Midwest. From its incredible natural beauty to its thriving luxury real estate scene, there's so much to love about this special place. Number 1, unmatched natural beauty. Leelanau County is home to the iconic Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore, a place so stunning it was named one of the world's most beautiful beaches by National Geographic. With 35 miles of Lake Michigan coastline, countless endless lakes, rolling hills covered in cherry orchards and vineyards, the natural beauty here is simply unmatched. Whether you're taking in the sweeping views from the top of the dune or kayaking along the crystal clear waters, every corner of Leelanau County feels like a postcard. Number 2, the endless outdoor recreation. For outdoor enthusiasts, Leelanau County is a dream destination. There's something for everyone. Hike or bike the scenic trails that wind through forests and along the lakefronts, or paddleboard, kayak, or kiteboard on the calm blue waters. During winter, enjoy skiing or snowshoeing in the snowy wonderland. Fishing and boating opportunities are world-class. Living here means the great outdoors is always right outside your door, offering year-round adventure and relaxation. And number 3, a food lover's paradise. Leelanau County's thriving agricultural scene creates a paradise for food lovers. With farm-to-table restaurants and an abundance of local produce, dining here is an experience. A few of the favorites are Farm Club, which is on the fringe of Leelanau, Martha's Leelanau Table in Sutton's Bay, and Blue in Glen Arbor, where the views are just as good as the food. You'll also find charming cafes, local bakeries, and fresh fish from nearby fisheries. And don't miss the farmers market and the U-Pick orchards, where you can bring home the freshest fruits and vegetables straight from the source. Number 4, renowned wineries. The Leelanau Peninsula is known for its wineries, which produce award-winning wines thanks to the region's unique microclimate. Dozens of vineyards dot the landscape, offering tasting, tours, and events throughout the year. Whether you're a wine connoisseur or you're just enjoying a good glass of Riesling, this area is a wine lover's haven. Number 5, a thriving luxury real estate market. Leelanau County has become a haven for luxury real estate, attracting buyers from across the country. Nearly 1/3 of the current residential inventory is priced at $1 million or more. Some of the key features of this market include stunning waterfront, properties on Lake Michigan and inland lakes, historic farmhouses with large acreage of modern estates with beautiful panoramic views, and exclusive homes with private boat harbors and custom finishes. For example, in 2024, the highest selling home was a 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath property in Northport with 100 feet of private Lake Michigan frontage, which sold for $4.6 million. Currently, there's a 7-bedroom, 5-bath home in Sutton's Bay with 200 feet of private Grand Traverse Bay frontage, listed for $4.8 million. Number 6, steady market growth. The real estate market in Leelanau County continues to grow steadily. In 2024, the average sale price reached $796,000, an increase of 10% from the previous year. This growth, combined with limited inventory and increasing demand, makes it a competitive market. Whether you're looking for a primary residence or vacation home, investing in Leelanau County real estate offers both lifestyle benefits and potential appreciation. Number 7, the perfect lifestyle for everyone. Whether you're dreaming of a peaceful retirement, looking for a summer getaway, or hoping to raise a family surrounded by natural beauty, Leelanau County offers a little bit of everything. Small towns here are welcoming, with a strong sense of community and events that bring neighbors together. And with so much to explore, from beaches to wineries to local shops, there's always something new to discover. Leelanau County truly has it all. Breathtaking views, endless adventures, a thriving food and wine scene, and a luxury real estate market that's one of a kind. Whether you're thinking about making a move or just curious about what this beautiful area has to offer, it's easy to see why so many people are falling in love with Leelanau County. And if you're ready to find your piece of paradise in northern Michigan, reach out to us at Blue Lakes Real Estate Group. We'd love to help you explore all that Leelanau County has to offer.